Okay, hello po at magandang araw. Ngayon po ay June 14, Tuesday. Ito po ang The Stock Market Today. Ako po si Benji Chodoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market in 2007. Ginagawa ko po ito araw-araw. Nire-report ko rin po ang latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stocks. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, niimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gusto ipa-review, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking ipa-prioritize. Hindi po ko financial advisor. Anything I say dito sa aking channel ay hindi po financial advice. Ang ating news ay tungkol sa IPO ni Balay na Frutas kasama ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw. June 14, 2022 dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, sige po. Umpisa na po natin. Ang ating financial headlines ay mula kay BDO Securities. Yan. Okay. FDI net inflows drop to 10-month low. T-bills rates up across the board. So yung 91-day T-bills, yung benchmark rates po niya, ay 1.57%. Yung 182-day ay 1.93%, while yung 364-day ay 2.33%. Dati po, talagang wala kang makukuha dito sa T-bills. At least ngayon ay tumaas na konti. NCR may be put under alert level 2 amid uptick in COVID-19 cases. BSP to cut RRR by October or November. RRR, ito po yung Reserve Requirement Ratio. So sa ngayon, nasa 12% po siya. Ang ibig pong sabihin ng Reserve Requirement Ratio ay, sa mga bangko po ito, no? For every peso you deposit in the bank, may 12 centavos na nilalagay sa reserve sa BSP. Hindi po yan kumikita. Yung reserve requirement na yan ay para sa emergency ng bangko. So kung magkaroon ng unusual withdrawals ang bangko or magkaroon ng bank run, worst case, ay doon po nagdodraw ang mga bangko para sa emergency fund nila. So parang ano ito? Emergency fund ng mga bangko po ito. Yan po yung reserve requirement. So ito ikakat po niya ito. Kasi hindi po yan kumikita eh. Non-income generating po yan eh. Zero interest po yan. DOE to create policy for mandatory retirement of aging power plants. Maynilad explains water supply issues to MWSS. Ito po yung Putatan Water Treatment Plant. Ito po yung nagdodraw ng water from Laguna Lake. At alam po ninyo, napakarumi po ng Laguna Lake, ano? At finifilter po nila yan. Doon po nagkakaproblema si Maynila. GCash disbursed over 2.5 billion short-term loans in 10 months. So yan po yung mga financial headlines. Pero ang ating main headline ay galing po sa Philippine Star. Ito po. Balay ni Frutas cuts offer price for 288.8 million IPO. So let me put up the slide on that. Okay. This is from the Philippine Star. Balay ni Frutas Inc. slashed the price for its upcoming initial public offering that is meant to raise cash for its store network expansion. In a notice to the PSE on Tuesday, the baked goods unit of listed food and beverage kiosk operator Frutas Holdings Inc. set its final IPO price at 70 centavos per share, 6.7% lower than the original price of 75 centavos. The size of the offering remains at 412.5 million common shares. Broken down, Balay will sell to the public 325 million primary shares as well as 50 million secondary shares, which will be offered by its parent firm Frutas. If there is a strong investor interest in the IPO, the company would sell 37.5 million more shares to meet the extra demand. With the new offer price, Balay is poised to raise 288.8 million from the offer. Of that amount, proceeds from the sale of primary shares, about 227.5 million, will go to store network expansion and potential acquisition, among others. Balay's current footprint is concentrated in Metro Manila. The IPO will run from June 17 to 21 based on the timetable the company submitted to the SEC. Once it debuts in the PSE on June 29, Balay's shares will be listed on the small, medium, and emerging board. Okay, so yun po ang ating main news today. And let's check if we have some comments here. I think I saw some comments here from our subscribers. Okay, sabi ni Isip Roman, AGI, bukas, also ASLAG, baka pwedeng 1 minute or hour ninyo since konti lang ang data. Sige, tingnan po natin ito. Tingnan natin si AGI at ASLAG. Okay, so now let's go to the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index on how it performed today. Okay, so let's put up our indicators. Yan. So positive ngayon ang Philippine Stock Exchange Index, gaining 7.52 points, almost flat, pero positive po siya, 0.12%, 6474.53. So na-reach na po niya yung sinasabi nating resistance level, nasa 6,300, near the 6,300 level, yung ating PSE or 6,400 level, yung ating market activity, 118 companies declined, 62 advanced, while 44 remained unchanged. The all-share index, however, is down 0.11% or 3.88 points in the red. So, pwede po mangyari yan. Yung index ay positive pero yung all-share ay negative. Kasi ang PSEI is only composed of 30 stocks, while the all-share index are all the stocks in the PSE. So yung sectoral indices naman natin ended mixed. Yung holding companies and mining are up, while the financials, industrials, properties, and services are down. So almost flat lang po at nagka-cancel out each other lang po yung ating sectoral indices. Ngayon, yung most active stocks ay tignan naman natin. Let's review the following, So, let's start from the fourth most active. Let's do SM, BDO, MBT, and or URC. URC na lang. So, let's start with AGI. Request ni Isip Roman. Okay, so AGI remains bearish and nag-reach na po siya ng oversold level. Nasa 29.11 yung ating RSI, pero bearish po si AGI, Pero tingnan natin yung fundamentals niya. Pagka AGI per BDO SEC, nasa 1450 po yung presyo niya. So, nasa 45% upside. So, ngayon, nasa 982 siya or about 45% upside. So, talagang bearish sentiment lang po because of the interest rates, hounding the economy as well as the global markets. So, tingnan nyo po, nag-crossover na po yung ating mga indicators. Pati yung long term nasa taas na rin. And oversold na po siya. Okay, so tingnan natin ang kanyang support. So let's do a 1 week chart para makita natin ang pinaka-support niya. Okay, nasa support level na po ito and it's somewhere here. Yan, no? 978 or within support level, and the next lower support would be here at 8.87. So, pababa po yung kanyang indicators and bearish po yung ating stock for AGI. And so, we hope to see a green candlestick, ano? Para makita natin na nagre-reverse na, but it generally follows the sentiment of the PSE index, no? And the PSE. So, yung PSE natin nasa 0.12 lang, no? 0.12% or 7.52 points. So, talagang it can be up, it can be down. Okay, next, tingnan natin si ASLAG. Okay, nag-positive siya ngayon, green candlestick, but it's a red item here on the right side. The reason for that is that the comparison of 1.75 is the previous day's closing of or 1.77. Kaya nag-close siya at 1. Nasa 2 centavos lower. So, tignan natin try natin yung 15-minute chart. Okay, the 15-minute chart is bearish. Let's do the 30-minute. Yeah, para mas malaki yung mga candlestick. Yan, okay. So, I see a support forming here, but this is just a 30-minute chart, ha? Pero bearish po siya in general. Yan po, no? Nasa 1.70 po yung pinaka-support level niya. And yung short-term and medium-term indicator are above. Meaning, well, it's moving downwards, but there has been green candlesticks in the past several minutes, no? Meaning that there is a chance that there will be some upside in the coming days. Now, yung RSI po niya, nasa 40, bearish pa rin po, based on a 30-minute chart. Kaya lang po, hindi ko po ginagawa yung 30 minutes, ano? I do the one-day chart kasi mas, well, shall we say, I'm more comfortable in doing the one day dahil full day activity yung stock. Ano? Okay? So, this is based on a 30-minute chart. So, si SM naman, so balik natin sa one day. Okay, nag-rebound si SM, no? Meron siyang bounce today and looks like the support here of 796 is holding. It has been moving down. Instead, let's do a parallel channel. Kung parallel channel gagawin natin. And mukhang it's holding here, no? And yung resistance is just following the 50-day EMA, 50-day moving average, no? So, the resistance is at 780 based dito sa parallel channel, and the support rather is at 780, and the resistance is at 856. Support and resistance, di po yan exact points, but these are areas. So, pababa pa rin si SM, although nag-recover ngayon yung kanyang RSI, nasa 45. Then, let's take a look at BDO. Si BDO, green candlestick po siya, and it's been moving, in general, it's been moving sideways, no? So, if we will be drawing, actually, yung support niya, Darvas box na lang yung draw natin, tulad kahapon. Yan, no? So, more or less yan po yan, no? Support is 123 and resistance is 134. In general, it's moving sideways. So, you can trade the buy on support, sell on resistance by looking at this box, no? So, buy at 123, sell at 134 to 135. More or less po yan. Then, next, we have Metrobank. MBT. Si Metrobank, it's, well, in general, it's bearish, no? Kung titingnan po natin yung 100-day exponential, it has been constantly moving down. It's bearish to sideways actually. So, na-reach na po niya yung pinaka-support niya, no? Nasa 49.60. But our indicators are still up, meaning bearish po si Metro Bank. So yung pinaka-resistance nandito po sa level na ito, somewhere here. Nasa 56.08, sideways to bearish po siya. Ngayon, fundamentally, Metro Bank, tingnan natin. Metropolitan Bank, 68 pesos ang kanyang funda or a 35% possible upside. Next, we have URC. Naku, talagang pababa itong URC na ito. Roller coaster siya. All our indicators are down. It has reached oversold noong March 14 and now it's reaching the oversold level. Nasa 100 pesos po si URC. So, if we will be getting the support level, support area na po ito. Nasa 100 po ang support area. And the lowest was 99.75, ano? Na na-reach noong, na-reach pa today? Yes, na-reach niya siya today. 99.75. So, mukhang magandang bumili. Now, fundamentally, URC's price is 145 or a 44% upside. Yan po ang URC and it has reached the support level. Okay, so yan po ang ating report sa stock market June 14, 2022. Ito po si Benji Chodoro. Nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik at hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.